Hello everyone, my name is Professor Vishakha Bende. In today's session, we are going to discuss about organizational structure. Before starting this session, just click on bell icon and do subscribe my channel. What is an organization? An organization is a social unit of people systematically structured and managed to meet a need or to pursue collective goals on a continuing basis. Why do we need an organizational structure? An organization have a management structure that determines the relationship between functions and positions and subdivides and delegates roles, responsibilities and authority to carry out defined tasks. Features of organizational structure. It determines the manner and extent to which roles, powers and responsibilities are delegated. It depends on objective and strategies. It acts as a protective through which individuals can see their organizations and its environment. Importance of organizational structure. It impacts effectiveness and efficiency. It reduces redundant actions, promotes teamwork, helps to improve communication, and it contributes to success or failure. Now, organization structure types. There are 5 different types: formal and informal organization structure, line organization structure, line and staff organization, matrix organization structure, hybrid organization. One by one we will see formal and informal organization structure. Formal organization is an organization in which job of each member is clearly defined, whose authority, responsibility and accountability are fixed. Informal organization is formed within the formal organization as a network of interpersonal relationships when people interact with each other. Line organization structure. Line organization structure is the oldest and simplest form of organization. In this organization, a supervisor exercises that supervision over a subordinate. Also, authority flows from the topmost person in the organization to the person in the lowest rung. Line and staff organization. Line and staff organization in management approach in which authorities, for example, managers, establish goals and directives that are then fulfilled by staff and other workers. In a highly centralized structure, decisions are made by a few executives or managers and flow downward through the enterprise. Matrix organization structure. A matrix organization structure is a company structure in which the reporting relationships are set up as a grid or matrix rather than in the traditional hierarchy. In other words, employees have dual reporting relationship, generally to both functional manager and product manager. Hybrid organization. The World Bank defines a hybrid organizational structure as one in which more than one organizational design is used. This allows a company more flexibility in distributing work and assigning job roles. It can be especially beneficial in small business where there are fewer employees to manage daily operations. So this is all about organization structure and its types. Thanks for watching.